Bailey's going in the water with Bingo. And Jordan's going in with Judo. Get him in there. Get in there.
He doesn't want to go.
Denied.
Yeah.
She's gonna jump is what's gonna happen.
Dale, stop. Just relax and let her go in there. Oh yeah. Walk her all the way to the end over there. Yeah. She likes it. Turn her around, Jordan. Come here. Other way.
You're letting him.
She's like, let me get a drink. Don't let her lay down, dude. Oh, she just put her whole face in here. All right, come out before she lays down in there. Oh, that's funny. All right, babe, go. Get him in there. It's not his choice. It's your choice.
Bailey, you can go two-handed.
Kick him. It's like, fine, I'll go in there. Oh, yeah. All right, go that way. Go that way. Don't let him lay down. Go, go, go. He's going to lay down. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. Oh shoot. That was